Good day everyone. So we were instructed to make a 3-minute video preparing an instructional materials covering the topics we have selected and the objectives we have formulated. So as for my instructional material, I developed a rope and pole display because for me it's easy and creative. And for my topic, I chose vocabulary words because it suits the instructional material well. And for my learning objectives, I only formulated two. So, at the end of the lesson, the students should be able to recognize new vocabulary words through images. And for the second one, match words with their correct illustrations. So, for my first objective, which is the recognize new vocabulary words through images. So I'm going to show them these images or illustrations one by one. For example, this. So what is this, students? Then they're going to answer, this is a pineapple. Then this one is a green apple and an orange and a pear. So by that, they recognize the words through looking at this illustration. So yeah, so for my second objective, which is the match words with their correct illustrations. So I'm going to show them again. So after showing the illustrations, I'm going to proceed by showing them the words. So I'm going to let them read it one by one. So this is a pineapple, green apple, an orange, and a pear. So I'm going to ask them first, in the pineapple, where do you think it belongs? So I'm going to let them hang it where it belongs. So for example, they hang it below the pineapple illustration. So by that, they match the words through the correct illustration, meaning the objectives are achieved and the instructional material is helping a lot. So yeah, so that's all for today guys. So thank you for watching. Again, this is my rope and pole display board. Thank you.